Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to do the AC reset on your Casio AQ-230. What you are going to need for this is going to be a metallic pair of tweezers, just like this one. We are going to find it inside the basic watchmaker toolkit that I'm going to leave a link in the description box below. So as the sticker right here tells us, after battery replacement, contact AC with minus using tweezers. So my AC is going to be right here, so I have AC written and a small arrow that points to this place right here. So I'm going to contact AC with minus right here, and I'm going to hold it for around 3 to 5 seconds. Then when I'm going to reverse the watch, it should always start from 12 o'clock. That is going to be a good indication that the AC reset has been done properly. Also, for this particular model where we have the digital time and the analog time, what we need to do is to set the time for both of them. So I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to the full guide of the Casio AQ-230. So make sure to check it out, as well as to the full guide on how to replace the watch battery from start to finish, how to also grease the watch gasket, so how to do basically everything to your watch properly. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. In case you enjoyed, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. Also, make sure to leave a comment what you would like to see next on this YouTube channel if you found this video helpful. And in case you want to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.